put these findings in a broader ecological and particularly a family context. Because the fact is that all the effects of daycare we detected, whether we're talking about the good news about quality, better cognitive linguistic development, the bad news about quantity, the more care, perhaps the more problem behavior, the more impulsivity, the more risk-taking, that these effects are rather modest in magnitude. Imagine if you're all 4.5-year-old children here, or 3rd graders, or 6th graders, and I'm your teacher, and I've known you the whole year. I could not tell in my naked eye, on the basis of your behavior, what your child care history is. We're not talking about effects that are so big that they're noticeable to the naked eye. You need a lot of kids, and you need a lot of fancy statistics with a lot of careful measurement. And I don't mean to say, therefore, it doesn't matter. I just don't want anybody walking out of this room thinking that if you improve the quality of care, you get geniuses. If you use too much care in America, you get psychopaths. Nothing could be further from the truth. We're talking about modest effects. And in fact, let's put these in context relative to family factors, because family factors and processes were consistently better predictors of children's development. And we see this most clearly if we look at the effects of early child care on cognitive linguistic development by using an extreme groups comparison. So here we've got our kids sorted between the very highest quality of care and the very lowest quality of care, predicting their pre-academic skills at the start of school. We do the same thing. We have a measure of parenting. We observed the mothers with their children and measured how sensitive and responsive they were in interacting with their children. And then we divided those parents into the most high quality, the most highly sensitive and responsive and stimulating, and the least. So these are extreme groups. This isn't 100% of the sample. This is like the top 25% and the bottom 25%. The top 25% and the bottom 25%. And as you can see, the difference here between those children who get low quality care and high quality care is much smaller than the difference here. And one way to quantify that difference in the differences is by looking at the effect size. So here is an effect size of 0.24. It's simply a metric of how different these are versus 0.88. In other words, the effect of parenting, as we detected in this study, is 3 times as great as the effect of child care quality.